Hello and welcome to Alive Minds. Today we are going to have a look at 5 movies or documentaries that can make you question all that is happening inside and outside you. While no movie, book, or person can change you completely, but certainly help you discover yourself. So, here are 5 such movies that you cannot miss if you are trying to discover yourself. Sitting right on the top spot is my favorite spiritual come force awakening movie, Peaceful Warrior. The movie is about a college student who is also a world class gymnast, disturbed by his life, frustrated, and lonely. The movie takes you into the process, the journey of the protagonist, discovering his teacher and fulfilling his destiny.
There's never nothing going on. Take out the trash, Dan. The trash is anything that is keeping you from the only thing that matters. This moment.
Next on the list is 7 Years in Tibet. It is one of the finest movies of Brad Pitt that you will see. The movie is based on real life experience of an Austrian mountaineer, Henrik Harrer, in Tibet during World War II and Chinese People's Liberation Army's invasion of Tibet in 1950. It talks about values, culture, and what matters the most in life, that is, eternal peace.
You have to leave Tibet, Kundan. Your life is a great risk. Forgive my presumption, but I have made arrangements to get you out, safely. We should leave directly after the enthronement. The Chinese, they would never expect it.
How can I help people if I run away from them? What kind of leader would I be?
On yoga, Architecture of Peace deserves to be third on the list. This is a documentary about a man's search. It is the journey of a photographer, Michael O'Neill, from being a professional photographer to discovering peace in yoga.
The lifestyle only. You're thinking. No one else is responsible for your unhappiness. You have to think over that. What makes you unhappy? And I think the main cause behind it is his never-ending desires.
On the fourth place, we have the famous drama thriller Fight Club. And I don't think I'm worthy enough to talk about the greatness of this masterpiece. Just watch it yourself and figure out why it is one of the best movies ever made.
We're the middle children of history, man. No purpose or place. We have no Great War, no Great Depression. Our Great War is a spiritual war. Our Great Depression is our lives.
Last on the list is 2009 Oscar-nominated Avatar. Directed by James Cameron, the movie makes you question this thirst, greed, and so-called destruction in the name of development strategy of mankind. Well, that's all for today, guys. Do give a try and watch these movies if you haven't already. Although, do remember they can just show you the path. It's you who has to walk, maybe alone. Thank you for your time.